Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. Millions of people worldwide suffer from insomnia, and for them, the thought of being able to fall asleep on demand feels more like a dream than a reality. However, researchers recently unveiled a wearable headband that directs brainwaves to combat trouble sleeping. Watch our recent video to see how it works. In other news, the governments of the United States and Mexico are partnering to fight Chinese metal suppliers who may be trying to evade tariffs on their imports. The Biden administration announced new tariffs on steel and aluminum imports from Mexico, unless those materials could be verified as melted and poured in North America. One fun activity for many children and adults is riding a bike. A new bill, the Domestic Bicycle Production Act, hopes to bring bike manufacturing back to the U.S. The act has a three-tiered approach, the first of which is to suspend tariffs on bike parts. For full details on the proposed plan, read our recent article. In military news, the U.S. Navy wants to leverage rapid prototyping to lower the costs of building an air-launched standoff weapon. The Multi-Mission Affordable Capacity Effector, or MACE project, is looking for proven payloads and propulsion systems that also offer increased range at lower costs. In our recent video, we delve deep into the Navy's plans. Finally, electric aircraft batteries can now last up to 4 times longer, thanks to a new novel approach. Researchers at the Molecular Foundry set out to understand why electric aircraft batteries start to lose their power over time. The research is pushing the limits of battery technology, and we explained what researchers uncovered in our recent article. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.